Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question longest palindrome by concatenating two letter words. So the question statement is you are given an array of strings, that is words. Each elements of words consist of two lowercase English letters like this LCCLGG. Create the longest possible palindrome by selecting some elements from words and concatenating them in any order. Each element can be selected at most once. So you can take these elements, you can take it for maximum one time only, and you can rearrange these elements to make a word. That word should be palindrome. Okay, and now we need to return the length of the longest palindrome that you can create. If it is impossible to create any palindrome, we need to return 0. Okay, a palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. You know it already, right? So now in this example number 1, we have three words, right? That is LCCLGG. Now we need to return the length of the longest palindrome that we can make from these elements, right? So we have taken LC double G CL. LC, sorry, LC GG and CL, right? It is a palindrome, right? So the length of this word is 6. So we will return 6. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have total letters to 12, right? But we have returned 8 only because we can make only we can make the palindrome only of the length of the 8 letters only, right? Like we have taken TY, LC, CL, YT, and the length of this palindrome is 8, right? So like this we can return our answer, but how? What will be the logic behind the solution? Now I will explain you that. So first we will go on each words. You can see each elements of these words, and we will check for 3 conditions, and we can find our solution by checking that condition only. So first we can check whether we have it's reversed or not. Like here it is AB, right? So we will check whether we have its reversed word or not. Like it is AB, right? So its reverse will be BA. So if we will have BA, we can easily make a palindrome. We can put it this AB anywhere, and this BA exactly opposite to this place, to this word, and we will get palindrome, right? So we can put anything here, here according to our answer, but these places are secured now, right? So that's why we will check whether we have its reversed or not, and we will also check whether its reverse is exactly same or not. Like here GG, its reverse is GG, right? So we will also check that thing. I will explain you why we are checking that. It is second condition. So like do we have its reverse AB AB? No, we don't have its reverse, right? That's why we will ignore this one. Now we will go for TY, and we have its reverse, right? So we can take it because we can put it anywhere inside our palindrome. So we have the total length is 4 now, and we will decrease the size of these two words, right? Now we will check for LC. We have its reverse, so we will store this plus 4, that is 8, and we have already checked for AB, so we no need to check. But what is second and third condition? Now I will explain you by this example. Like when there will be reverse will be the same, that is GG and GG. If the length of that GG double G, the reverse value is 1, like we have only one GG, right? Double G is only 1, so we can put in the middle of that palindrome, like here a b b a, we can put it here. We have only one double G, but we can put it here. So we will increase the length, the count by 2 only, because we are putting it in the middle, and we will use a flag and we will make it true because we have secured the middle position for some word, right? It is our third condition. Second, you can say second or third, because I will give you one another condition. When there will be, its opposite will be same, like double G's opposite is double G's, but we have two double G, right? So in that condition we can use this element like previous one, like a b double G c double c double G b a. We have used it at two places, right? So we will increase the count by 4 and we will decrease its value, right? So I have explained you all these three conditions. Now I will explain you with the code. So our code is here. It is count, which will count the total number of the length, sorry, total number of letters in our palindrome. So it is another map for counting the words size, so words number, frequency, you can say. You have understood this, right? It is a for loop for counting the numbers like LC, the frequency of LC, CL, GG, right? It is flag. When we will secure the middle one, we'll make it true, like here. It is string for reversing the our reversing the word. It will be the reverse word, string word, because we are reversing it. Now it is our first condition, second condition, and third condition. So first condition was, if the reverse is not same and the size of both that words is greater than 0, that is 1 or 2, like AB and BA. We have AB and BA. It is our first condition. We can put it anywhere and we will increase count by 4 and we will decrease its size, right? Now when the reverse is same but it is more than 1, it means 2, we can again put it anywhere, and so we are increasing the count by 4 and decreasing its size by -2, because we are using both this word. Now our third condition, when we will have only one value, like double G will be one time only. In that condition we will increase count by +2 and decrease its value by 1, and we will make it true because we will put it in the middle position, right? And lastly we will return the count. Now I will run the code. I have already run this code. Now I am again running for you. Yeah, it's running. Thank you.